Hey guys, I'm just going to create a syllabus review video here. So if we go into content, it's going to have its own module here. We can click on the syllabus. I'm actually going to download it and look at it in Acrobat because I think that's a little bit easier. So this is Graphic Design 350. It's called Graphic Design 2. Fall Semester 22. We meet Tuesday, Thursdays, 8 a.m. to 9:15. I know that's early. I'd like to be able to change this time to 9, but Joel won't move his classes over, so we're having to stick with the 8 o'clock time. Cowan Hall, room 112, 3 credit hours, my name, phone number, and here's my edu email, or you can email me in Brightspace. Texting me, obviously, is the fastest way to get a hold of me. Some of you are friends with me on Facebook, too, and you can always, message me on Facebook if you want. So Graphic Design 350 will be an in-depth dive into the techniques, design principles, and software used in publication design, such as magazines. We're going to design some brochures. We're going to do a booklet. The booklet's going to be more than at least 12 pages long, potentially longer. But so those are the kind of things that we're going to be designing. You'll learn how to print and lay out multiple page documents in InDesign. So we're basically just focusing in solely on InDesign in this course. We have an Illustrator course. This is the InDesign course, and then I am developing a Photoshop course too. But so with the skills acquired from this course, you will learn to design and lay out multiple page publications with confidence using Adobe InDesign. And I'm going to try and have more feedback sessions before we turn in our projects so that we can improve them. So we're going to be participating in a lot of critiques and feedback sessions just to kind of get you guys used to taking feedback and constructive criticism and that kind of thing. So this is a required course material, the textbook, Graphic Design School, the Principles and Practice of Graphic Design. This is the ISBN for the print, and the e-text is here. 6th edition, copyright year is 2016. So I don't know why I didn't put a little snapshot of what the cover of the book looks like, but it is in the announcement, the welcome message in the Brightspace shell for this course too. So strongly suggested materials, a sketchbook with no rules on the pages. Personal computer is a great thing to have, and the subscription to the Adobe products. Students should get discounts, should be around $20 a month, I believe, at least for the first year. They might actually jack the price up. Barry, one of my students, sorry to name drop here, but he actually, one of my students actually, I think he gets a deal on Black Friday every year. With the Adobe products, and he re-ups his license every year on Black Friday, and he gets a lot better deal. So, if you're thinking about keeping the Adobe subscription throughout the year, you could, try to purchase it on Black Friday. So, yeah, we're going to be, kind of using Brightspace as a support for this class. And it's obviously twice weekly class, though we don't really have any online students in here. So grades are based on the following: quizzes, discussions, assignments, demos, that's 30%. Attendance is 10. Rack card project, we're going to start the year off with that. It's for the library this year, so that's 10%. Magazine spread, 10%. Brochure is 15. Book cover project, 10%. And booklet project is 15%. So this is the course schedule. I'm not going to go through it week by week, but if you want to take a look at this and just kind of see roughly how the flow of the class will go, you can go ahead and do that. We start off with the rack card project and move into the magazine spread project, then the brochure project, the book cover project, and then we spend quite a bit of time on the booklet project. We do a lot of feedback sessions on the booklet project just to get those really dialed in and really looking good. Here's the grading scale. D's are not passing in college. I always say that because some people don't know that. Student responsibilities, check Brightspace daily, obviously show up to class on time, read the announcements, the tasks outlined in the modules, you know, take a look at those, week 1 through week 16, found in the content area. Try to be engaged. Try not to fall behind on your projects or in any of the classwork, because it's difficult to catch up once you fall behind. It's also your responsibility to ask questions if you're confused about something. Late assignments are accepted, but they'll be cut down a letter grade for being tardy. And then every week that passes, your grade will drop another letter grade. So projects make up a large percentage of your overall grade, so missing even one will impact your grade in a major way. So it becomes very confusing and inconvenient for me to grade late assignments, especially if everybody's late with their work. It just gets hard for me to track everything down. So I just really appreciate it when everyone gets their work in on time. It just makes grading so much easier for me. So if you're sick, stay home. With that being said, attendance is important. I'll keep track of your attendance in Brightspace, and you'll receive an attendance grade at midterms and at the end of the year. And that will make up 10% of your overall grade for this course. If there are genuine extenuating circumstances that require an extended time away, you can let me know and we can talk about that. And we can maybe work something out. So yeah, just let me know if something's going on in your life, and we can talk about it and work something out. So office hours, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 10 to noon. But still, like, get a hold of me if you want to come and see me in my office, because you know, I might tell you to come in at like 10 or 11 or 10:30 or something, because I might have, you know, other people that want to come in and see me. So get a hold of me before you come and see me, typically. And we can set up a time to meet. But like, if you can't get a hold of me though, and you want to see me, I'm going to, more than likely, I'll be in Pershing Hall 105, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 10 a.m. to noon. So I'm also usually available after class for like an hour-ish, typically. So if you need help, you know, we can stay and work on things. This is the Academic Integrity and Misconduct Code. Accessibility statement. Jonna Antonich, if you have some sort of maybe like a learning disability or, you know, just some kind of need, individual need that you might need help with, Jonna Antonich is a great resource. She can help you, give you technology for things that you might help your learning, give you good habits. She can go over, you know, on a case-by-case basis, basically. So, and even if you're not diagnosed with something, you could get tested through them too. If you kind of think something's going on, it's great to go to her. She can help you out with anything like that, testing or anything. So, tutoring is available for writing, math, and some other specific classes, but a lot of writing and math typically. And then Brightspace technical support. Jason Gear or Brittany are great to get a hold of. This is their contact information. They're in Cowan Hall, kind of down by the theater. I think it's 104 now is the updated number. But yeah, they moved their office, but they're down by the MAT theater now. Anyway, that's pretty much in a nutshell, that's the class. So yeah, I look forward to working with you guys this semester. See you later.